waste has become a weighty issue in developed countries. Over 3,200 tons of food waste is produced in Hong Kong each day. It is necessary to tackle this serious food waste problem, otherwise our landfill will be filled soon and imposing a severe burden on our local environment. We propose a collection of 3 smart food bins for farmers, restaurants, and citizens to use for reducing food waste in source. Smart Food Bin is a food waste collection bin to collect food for donation to the needy and help for collecting food waste for generating biofuels. It is separated into 2 main parts, a composting bin and a donation bin. The bins can sort food into categories by themselves. In the composting section, the smart food bin will compost the food for becoming fertilizer or generating electricity. In donation section, users can customize 3 different types of food for donation. Different farms grow different crops, so that the farmers can choose their own types of crop for donation. All the bins have interactive monitors for displaying instruction and information, and a built-in scanner for scanning the barcode print on the package of the food. Humidity sensor and temperature sensor allow the bins to identify and collect the information of the food immediately. Information like what type of food has been donated, the expiry date, or nutrition value of the food will be collected. The data contribute to an automation of food distribution to different people in need with different food priorities. So, how to use our Smart Food Bin? Let's start with Smart Food Bin 1, Farming. The bin opens when the farmer clicks Open button on the interactive monitor. After throwing the unwanted crops into the bin, it will detect whether the crops are edible. If yes, sensor will sort the crops into 3 customized categories and send notifications to NGOs when crops are ready to collect. If crops are not edible, they will go into the composting bin for making fertilizers. Farmers can use a bin to collect the fertilizers. Smart Food Bin 2 is used in restaurants. When food waste is found, they will undergo the process of food drying. Dried food waste will be sent out for animal feeding. Lastly, Food Waste Bin 3 is for individuals. When citizens throw in food, edible food will be sorted in 3 categories and sent to food bank. Unedible food will be dried and used for other purposes, such as composting or selling to farms. Smart Food Bin analyzes and generates daily or periodic reports using cloud and big data technology for helping users to make decisions on buying, selling, distributing of food. All the collected information is an open source on the web. A list of available donated food will be posted every day for registering food. Food bank can use the open data to make better decisions and mapping in food distribution. The smart food bins are environmentally friendly as well. A solar panel is built on the top of the bin, which can absorb sunlight and generate electricity for its own use. Smart food bins. Let's live with zero food waste.